Hi, welcome back, everyone. I'm Youxuan. Today, we continue to explain the 4 tones of Mandarin pronunciation system. This course is mainly to help you practice the 4+1 tones of the Mandarin pronunciation system. I will help you practice the 5 tones combinations one by one with a few commonly used terms. Then you gradually become familiar with the rules of the Mandarin tones. In this episode part 2, we will first practice the first to fourth tones. In the next episode, part 3, we will practice the neutral tones and different tones mixed. Because this is a series of lessons, I would suggest you start with my first video, studying Zhuyin phonetic symbols before learning Mandarin, part 1, to understand the differences between Zhuyin and Pinyin in Mandarin and their pros and cons. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then the second step is to go in-depth understanding of the 4 pronunciation rules of Mandarin. If you still don't know the 4+1 tones of Mandarin pronunciation system, please refer to my video, A Secret of Mandarin Pronunciation, explain in detail the 4 Mandarin Chinese tones, part 1. Okay, now let's start with each tone, one by one. The first tone, 一声. We talked about this last time. The first tone of Zhuyin and Pinyin is a stable and prolonged continuous long tone without ups and downs. Our voice stays flat, like we say, mi. The English meaning of the Chinese term, 猫咪, is cat. These 2 Chinese characters, 猫 and mi, are pronounced with the first tone, 猫咪, 猫咪. Then, 餐厅, restaurant. These 2 Chinese characters, 餐 and 厅, are pronounced with the first tone, 餐厅, 餐厅. Next, 公车, bus. 公 and 车 are pronounced with the first tone, 公车, 公车. Coffee, 咖啡, a term formed from the English vocabulary. Same, the first tone, 咖啡, 咖啡. Then, 超商, the convenience store. The first tone, 超商, 超商. Then, mother, 妈妈, the first tone, 妈妈, 妈妈. Okay, the second tone, 二声. The second tone of Zhuyin and Pinyin is the upward tone. Like we say, what? Note that we can pay attention to the sound of the second tone. The pitch will go up. Alright, let's try the pronunciation of the second tone. Like we say, 国旗. The 2 characters, 国 and 旗, are combined, meaning the national flag. The second tone, 国旗, 国旗. Same, 柠檬, lemon. The second tone, 柠檬, 柠檬. Then, 银行, bank. The second tone, 银行, 银行. Okay, 学习, study. The second tone, 学习, 学习. Next, the third tone, 三声. The third tones of Zhuyin and Pinyin are all tones that fall first then rise. Like when we say the tone of well, it sounds down first then up. The pitch of the third tone slightly goes down and then goes up. Let's try the pronunciation for the third tone. 美女. These two Chinese characters, 美 and 女, are combined, meaning beautiful woman. The third tone, 美女, 美女. Then 小狗, puppy. The third tone, 小狗, 小狗. Okay. 旅馆, hotel. The third tone, 旅馆, 旅馆. Next, 老鼠, mince, mouse, rat. The third tone, 老鼠, 老鼠. Then, 处理, deal with, or process. Same, the third tone, 处理, 处理. The fourth tone, 四声. The fourth tone of 注音 and 拼音 is the downward tone. Like we said, don't. The sound of the fourth tone is completely opposite to the second tone, and its tone is a downward tone. The pitch will go down. Let's try the pronunciation of the fourth tone. 月历. The two characters, 月 and 历 are combined, meaning monthly calendar. 月历, 月历. Then 电视, the TV. The fourth tone, 电视, 电视. Alright, next, 运动, exercise. The fourth tone, 运动, 运动. Okay, 快乐, happy. The fourth tone, 快乐, 快乐. Well, that's all for today. I hope you can figure out the differences between these four tones in this class. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and continue to part 3. I will see you in the next episode.